Ryobi knows. Generators. Emergency backup power and lighting come in handy when the electricity supply to your home suddenly goes out. Ryobi has both 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine generators to suit your needs. To determine the size generator you will need, calculate the total wattage of the maximum number of items you'll be running simultaneously. For items with startup ratings higher than their run ratings, use the higher rating to determine your power requirements. Inductive load appliances and tools such as refrigerators, washers and power tools require additional wattage for starting the equipment. The initial load only lasts a few seconds on startup, but it is important when calculating your total wattage. For example, running a 100-watt light bulb, 200-watt cooker, 1200-watt refrigerator with startup of 2900 watts and a 750-watt TV would require 3950 watts. The startup rate can fluctuate between 1.1 and 2 times the stated run rate. This demonstration pamphlet shows how you can determine what appliances and products can be matched with a specific generator's output. Refer to the owner's manual of your Ryobi generator on when to check the oil, change the air filter and change the spark plugs. It's important to check and clean your air filter on a regular basis. Refer to your owner's manual as to how often it should be replaced. This is how the fuel tap and choke lever work. Always use the pull start when starting a generator for the first time. If your Ryobi generator has a key start, you can use it from then on. Never exceed the rated capacity of your generator. Always start with the largest electrical appliance first, then plug in the other items, one at a time. An automatic voltage regulator works in maintaining the voltage output of your generator. When the required output of a generator increases as you turn more appliances on, the generator increases its revs to compensate for the sudden increase in load. When storing your generator for an extended period of time, refer to the operating manual for full instructions.
Ryobi, power tools that won't quit.